Hello friends, I am back after a long time. From now on I will upload 2 or 3 tutorials a week, so let's start the video.